This video will be useful for bench sales and for business development managers who wants to connect with prime vendors, preferred vendors, or the tier 1 vendors, right? And meaning that those recruiting companies who work with direct clients. Now, what we generally do as a salesperson, as a bench sales, we go to LinkedIn and we try to find out people who might have worked with direct clients, and we try to get requirements from them, and at the same time we find for the jobs. And this is what the same thing that I'm going to show you, but how we can use few terms that these recruiters use. Now we are searching from the bench sales or BDM search from their point of view, but now we got to search from the recruiter's point of view. Now what is that? Okay, look at here. Let me share this with you. Okay, so this is what I have opened, dice.com. Okay, now here if we go here, right, the search bar, if I click it, there are so many requirements going to pop up. So now according to your need, you can find out and you could connect with these people, and you may ask them which of those vendors or the companies are working directly. Now rather than doing that, there is one common thing that the recruiters do to attract more talent. They use the word direct client. They use the word direct client requirement. Now to use that, by using it, for example, we just want to use direct client. Okay, now if I check, if you see, there are 143 jobs came in, which is posted by people. They have used the word direct client. It means the companies, right? Digipulse, Javin, Microsoft, ICST. So here, this is a contract role, direct client, and this is a full-time role, direct client. This is a contract, B1 Solutions. It's a pretty big company, and Global Bridge, contract and third party. So if they're using contract and third party, it means they're really working with a direct client. Now what you have to do is, let's say Digipulse we are opening, and I'm a bench sales recruiter, or I'm a business development manager. I go and check if there is a email ID, and yes, there is an email ID. It's revika@digipulsetech.com, and I connect with Revika. Okay, I take this email ID. All right, so R is missed, so no problem. Revika at if Revika is watching, she might be happy, I don't know. Right, so Revika at digipulse.net, digipulsetech.com. So here we got a preferred vendor email ID. Sure about preferred vendor. Why? Because this is their direct client requirement. Now if we go to LinkedIn, okay, and I want to check out, all right, so let's check it. What is that company? It's Digipulse Technologies, right? Digipulse Technologies, and it's what her name was, Revika. Okay, and let's see if she's there. We do not find her, Revika. Okay, okay, so it's a Digipulse Technologies Incorporation, and there are so many people. You can connect with their president, recruiting manager, IT recruiters, and so on and so forth, so that you will understand what are the other requirements they are working on and what exactly going on in their life, right? So that is a one way of finding prime vendor, preferred vendors contact informations. Use the word direct client, or let's say people have mentioned like this, we don't know, direct client. If they have used this sort of words, okay, 143, it is pulling the same thing. Or you may say direct clients. Let's see, nothing. Direct clients, you can use an apostrophe yes, yeah. So it's our direct client. So primarily people are using direct client. Okay, just use direct client. 143 jobs, and let's see if someone has used direct client as one word. No, people are using this. So I have used it in dice.com, so you may try in different portal. And if we go to Google and we want to see what, let me go to incognito and check it out. Okay, and direct client, you can say, okay, requirements or jobs. All right, let's see. Here it came in direct client requirements, direct client jobs. Okay, so here you go to the links and check it, or we can go direct client jobs, direct client jobs, or direct client requirements. This is what the phrases people use, right? Direct client requirements. And let's see what is that fetching. Okay, direct client requirements, direct client jobs. Okay, there is a corp to corp organization. Let's see what is that. Okay, there is a 100% top 100 direct. Okay, this looks like some Google groups, right? Okay, it's a C2C direct client requirements. Let's click it and see what is that coming in. This is a category of jobs. When did they post? August 17th. Okay, cloud architect. All right, and let's check cloud architect, what is this was all about. Cloud architect, August 17th. Okay, and you see it's a Sindhujat Prism IT Corp. Okay, where is the direct client they have mentioned here? No, there is no way that direct client has mentioned here. Okay, so this is C2C direct client, and looks like there are some groups, direct client requirements in US. Looks like some Google groups these are. All right, add my email ID. Okay, so here we cannot search anything else. All right, let's keep looking and we'll see if you find any people who has mentioned direct client. Okay, so here technical recruiter, large ton. So here in these sort of connections, what is that going to happen is you are going to get the contact numbers of those individuals people. All right, but my primary way of doing thing is going to dice.com, going to career builder USA jobs. Okay, you go to career builder USA jobs, and no, this is Indeed, right? Okay, no, find resumes, find jobs. Okay, there is a button, find jobs. Let's see, I'm just doing the search here, and we are going to mention direct client, and let's see what is coming in. Okay, receptionist, healthcare. If you see this, they have mentioned for a direct client care. Okay, and here direct client, and we are going to mention Java. All right, and let's see what is coming. It is still buffering. Here direct client, advise client, AWS. No, there is nothing much helpful here. Careerbuilder.com. Okay, careerbuilder.com. So here in career builder we may look for the same thing, direct client, and wait and see what is it coming. So here people, the recruiters, use that as the job title. direct client .NET developer direct client. You see that 1 day ago posted. So which company is that? Systems Edge. And who is that? It's Avinash. And this is the phone number. Email link has removed. So you can directly call this person and you can connect. Okay. So what is that they have mentioned? Where is that mentioned direct client? It's a direct client on-site backfill position immediate interview. So this you can use this as your preferred vendor. So it's a Avinash. Okay, the same thing to find it. Avinash, and what company is that? What company is that, people? System Edge. Okay, and what is that we should be doing now? We will go to LinkedIn and we will find out. Okay, we will go to LinkedIn and find out, see if this person is available. Systems Edge, Avinash. Okay, Avinash. System Edge is the recruiting company and we'll use it. Did I use the correct ABINSH, and this is a recruiter, right? So this is what the title that we have seen. What is the title this person has mentioned here? Avinash email ID, so it should be a recruiter. All right, and let's see. Interesting. Okay, sometimes Google acts funny. All right. So Avinash, senior talent acquisition recruitment at System Edge, currently working. Okay, this is the person we wanted to. Avinash, this person is. So whatever it is, ABINASH, right? Avinash and System Edge. This is what we have, and there you go. You can connect with the person and you can send a note here, and you know what to do. Got it, people? And this is what I wanted to share that with you, rather than you look here and there and asking for a bunch of contact information so that you can directly call. Rather than you build your base, you build your list of connections and start talking to people. And this is how you build your client base and portfolio. All right. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comment box. All right. So that I can get more of these kind of things. Take care and God bless you, people. Once again, this is Suman Pachigulla and I'm on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. If you have not subscribed, join the mission and keep helping people. Take care and God bless again. Bye-bye.